ControlAltDelete are an outsourced IT management company for small to medium-sized enterprises in Scotland and the north of England. We specialise in the hotel and leisure industry, where, for example, if you have an independent hotel or a small group of hotels, we will act as your complete IT management company. ControlAltDelete needed a hosting partner because we wanted to centralise the data processing facility for one of our major clients who have half a dozen hotels, but we didn't want to have half a dozen systems. So it made sense to go back to the old-fashioned mainframe model of having everything in the middle. So we have very thin computing provision on site at the individual hotels and have everything in the middle, really handy, nearby at Iomart's data centre. It's put together to a very high standard, even down to the quality of the racks being used. It's very easy to install and uninstall equipment, and we've got the confidence of knowing that there's dual power supply to each cabinet, there's dual internet feed to each cabinet, and there is a massive generator in the event of a grid failure. It's very good because at many facilities there isn't such a high standard as you have at Iomart. You do have intelligent hands on the end of the telephone, and it makes an enormous difference. Iomart's customer control panel allows ControlAltDelete to keep a handle on the amount of bandwidth and power that we're using at the facility. It also allows us to raise support tickets in order that we can get the intelligent hands at Iomart's facility to our cabinet to do any urgent work or even non-urgent work for us, and it saves us a lot of time and money. When we started with Iomart, we started fairly simply. However, the solution they provided was very scalable. So as the demands of our clients and ourselves increased, we were able to turn up the volume on the amount of bandwidth and indeed power provision that was necessary to keep our network running. With the help of Iomart's data centre facility, ControlAltDelete have managed to bring corporate facilities to small to medium-sized enterprises at a cost that reflects the size of the enterprise, not the cost of the data centre.